Today I thought we would do something slightly different. This is text, so we're going over what's on my Nintendo Switch, as well as I'm going to give a little review per se of the Nintendo Switch. So let's start out and see what is on my Switch. Let's hit A. Okay, so before I actually show you guys, I have my Switch here for a reason, because I thought it would be kind of cool to show you guys it in undocked versus docked like I normally do, especially because I'm also testing out my Insta360 Link, the overhead mode. So yeah, I think that's actually working pretty well. But yeah, I do want to mention a few things first. Like, I don't know if you guys can see on the edge there, but that's a screen protector that's coming off. See, I always, whenever I'm playing a game or anything, always play this in docked mode. So the screen protector coming off doesn't really bug me, but if I ever took this any places really, I'm sure it would actually bug me and I'd want to get a replacement ASAP. And I may do that in the future, who knows? But let's go over what I have, okay? I have this game right here. It's 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 a pretty nice game. It's called Zoo. Let's see if I can go over it. Idle Zoo Park. It's what it's called. It's one of those simple idle games that I play from time to time and actually enjoy playing. And then this technically isn't on my Switch per se. It's on my Switch, but it's not. It's the game I have in. I actually have a cartridge for some games, not a lot. I think I have Diablo 3 cartridge, Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and Zelda Breath of the Wild. I don't have a lot of cartridge games for the Switch. I mostly get mine digital code, all that jazz. Animal Crossing, I I was one of those people that in 2020 I actually really got into the whole Animal Crossing scene. A friend of mine actually got me the game and I played it like almost exclusively for the longest time because I enjoyed it so much. To this day, I never repaid Tom. Tim? Tom? Tom. Tom. Yeah. I never replayed because every time you pay him off, he's like, oh, yeah, you gotta get this other thing, but don't worry, it's on me. You can pay me back, and then you never pay him back. Okay, so this is the Ruby game, Grim Apocalypse. I have on the Switch, but I have the other Ruby game on PC, and I think I like the other Ruby game a bit better. Then we have this, which, that was an okay game. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening. I played this quite a bit too because it brought back memories. Yeah. And then, of course, is it wrong to pick up girls in a dungeon? This is an anime, actually. This is a game based on an anime that's based on a manga. It's not a bad. It's not a bad show at all. It's actually it implies a few things by the title alone, but I can assure you it's not bad. This Vamp I actually meant to play, but did not end up getting around to playing it yet, hence why it's still on here. Then we have Pumpkin Jack. Every Halloween, I swear, I try to play this game, either upload it on Halloween or stream it, but I just don't end up doing it. I should, I need to, but I don't. Maybe one day I will actually get around to doing it. And then we have Forgone. I don't remember what type of game this is, honestly. I feel like I did check it out, but I don't actually remember anything about it. And then Good Pizza, Great Pizza. I did actually check this out. It's actually a little harder to play on the Switch than it would be on PC, but it's one of those simulator games. You simulate owning a pizza restaurant, and you gotta make pizzas, and what you get per day depends on how many orders you get right and how many toppings you end up wasting and whatnot. It deducts it from that. Then the final thing is Zen Chess. Now, I technically never played that game on here, but I downloaded it because I am a big fan of chess, okay? In my free time, it's a bit relaxing for me to play chess. And yeah, these are my games on the Nintendo Switch. Right now, you saw me using it undocked to show you guys, but I usually have it docked, then have this Pro controller. I'm not going to show you guys the front of it just because it is a bit dusty and I don't want to show you guys on camera. That's how dusty it is. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description below to both the Switch and the Pro controller if you do want to buy those. But yeah, again, this is the screen protector. This isn't the screen coming off or anything. I always forget that the Switch is touch screen, and there are so many games that do support the touch screen on the Switch. So I definitely will have to give that credit where credit is due. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think of the Switch. If you guys would ever buy a Switch in the future. And also, as a bonus, let me know what you guys think of this top-down view type thing. I'd love to know your thoughts. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.